The new restrictions went into effect today. Orange restrict zones like Haldeman Norfolk can now have up to 100 indoor diners while not exceeding 50% of their capacity. And red control zones like right here in Hamilton, bars, restaurants and nightclubs can also fill 50% of their capacity up to a maximum of 50 patrons.
Patio's still full, but whenever something becomes available.
Westtown Patio is rocking today, and so is their indoor dining area.
We had the home fries ready, and then all of a sudden we need 5 times as much.
Just yesterday in the red control zone, Hamilton bars and restaurants could only have 10 people indoors. Today it's 50, or 50% of their capacity.
We were pretty shocked because we heard rumors about going the other way, going into a lockdown again, and then it turns out it went to this 50%.
I think it always should have been by percentage because you have some of those places that are just huge.
The Lock Street Bar and Grill has an indoor capacity of 96 seats. Half of their indoor space is still going unused. According to Ontario Public Health, there are over 500 active outbreaks in the province. Only 9 of them come from bars, restaurants, or nightclubs.
It's awful. It's safe enough for me to go to work with 70 guys I don't know, but I can't go to a restaurant with my buddies. I think that's unprofessional.
The Endzone is 8,000 square feet with an indoor seating capacity topping 300.
I don't know who's in charge, but they got to realize you got to get staff, you got to get food, extra products. It's tough, but we're open, so we'll deal with it.
The provincial government says they made the change to support Ontario's economic recovery. As a result of the increased indoor capacity, Endzone is hiring new staff, and Westtown called more in for the day. Meanwhile, some restaurants are still proceeding with caution. Sweet Beats and the Hardy Hooligan are still keeping indoor dining closed.
Once vaccines are in full swing and case numbers go down to somewhere we're comfortable, we'll definitely revisit opening back up. Yeah.
The Simpsons-themed vegan restaurant only has a capacity of 25 seats and have actually grown their business during the pandemic.
We've increased our staff. We've seen our overall sales increase through this whole thing, and I think keeping the community feeling safe was important to our customer base, and we've seen nothing but positive response to that.
Now, yesterday, the president of the Ontario Hospitals Association tweeted out that he understands that the government is trying to give restaurants a chance and that he hopes that they succeed. But he also pointed out that the third wave is accelerating. Currently, there's over 250,000 surgeries in the backlog and that 1 in 5 ICU patients have COVID-19.